So, I ended up here, but I have no idea how I got here. Initially, my idea was doing a color study and play with alcohol and silicone and show you the results. And instead, something pushed me to get here. I am fascinated by Tree of Life, that's for sure. And I think that's why I keep getting into places like that. And the fact that it has so many layers of color, you can see from the bottom. And so, I mean, what can I say? I again ended up with a weird video. And the other day I want to show you this. I did this, which will be a table. But you can see that I like some version of Tree of Life. And so I hope you like it. I'm sorry I did not have how-to video because I took so many directions that it got confusing and long. So I hope you like this one. Give me feedback. Talk to you soon. Bye.